let's just introduce myself. This is SSA Mentor and I'm a professional motion graphics and 3D expert. We are going to teach you each and everything which make you successful in freelance marketplace, so warm welcome to all my followers. Here we can teach different useful courses which help you to earn lots of money through freelancing platform in many websites, but today we are going to teach you complete interface about After Effects. Okay, let's start. First we are going to choose new project. Then go to New Composition and select the standard preset 1080 pixel. Select frame rate 30 or 60 frames per second as per need, and also you can set the time duration of your project. So the most important and useful panel is Effects and Presets panel. And you can also check in from Windows in above. Okay, we import a sample image of thumb. Now we are going for some basic animation. Let's just check the scaling section. You can scale up and scale down and create some keyframes. Keyframes are also essential, but we can learn these in details in other classes. Now go to another section of positioning. Let's just drag this image on top left side, yeah. Then add a keyframe and drag this image on bottom right side. Cool. Okay, now we can see two different animation in working at a time. Now check the opacity section. We can set the keyframe for opacity 100 to 0. Cool. Now let's just check the rotation section. So we are going to add some keyframes. You can use this tool by setting any keyframe from your choice. Nice! So we are able to create very basic animation in After Effects very efficiently. This course is going to be very exciting when we move forward step by step. You can ask any question related to our course and this video am always available. Okay, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more learning classes from basic to advanced, and if you have any query you can ask me anytime. Thanks.